Hey everybody, welcome or welcome back to What to Wear Here and There. And if you're new here, welcome. I am Lashana. Here's a quick little snippet I just wanted to share with you guys that I received a PR package from Good Molecules. Turn around. And they sent me over some of their good facial skincare. Sent me over some of their good skincare, and I just wanted to share with you guys. I'm going to be testing these products out. If you guys have been with me for any amount of time, you know that I've had such a war with my face since I've turned 45. So given about 3 years, I've been kind of like going back and forth. So I'm really excited to try out these products, and I just want to share such a colorful, pretty box. Love the packaging, of course. This is what's inside. And really quickly, I recorded this earlier and it wasn't even on me. It was against the opposite wall. So just sharing, this is the Instant Cleansing Balm. The Niacinamide Serum. We're gonna go with the Niacinamide Brightening Toner, which I'm excited to try. Heard good things. And last, this is the Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil. I'm really excited about that because lately I've been experiencing a bit of dry skin, and it's not just because the weather has changed. I think over the course of time, as a woman gets older, your skin may change. I used to have combination skin long time ago. In middle school, it used to be oily. But anyway, I digress. Just wanted to hop on here and share with you all that I'm excited to try out Good Molecules. And if you guys haven't or have, let me know down below in the comments. Let me know what you think of it. I'll be tracking my usage and what it's been doing for my skin over the course of the next few weeks, I guess, and we shall see. Hopefully take pictures and share some good things because y'all, this aging skin is not the business, okay? But anyway, thanks for watching, and I love you from my heart. Bye for now.